Hello and welcome to this short video. We'll be talking about a large scale assessment. We'll be talking about what is a large scale assessment, what is it all about, the purpose, and the value that it holds in our educational context. Now we have to know the difference between an educational assessment and the large scale assessment. An educational assessment is an assessment that is used by a teacher in a classroom to enhance learning and to measure the learners if they have uh, reached the summative goals. Now, this particular assessment occurs in the classroom between teachers and a learner in the process of teaching and learning. But when it comes to a large scale assessment, it is all about um, measuring if learners have achieved the objectives across the countries or nationally. It couldn't be done nationally or internationally. And these large scale assessments are conducted by policymakers and educational leaders where they want to identify the excellence, the academic excellence in the societies, in different societies, because it is done amongst different learners, large number of learners in different levels and different areas. Okay, now we need to understand that this data, it is collected and it is administered and it is released in different social platforms where a lot of people, the researchers, teachers, and um, the curriculum development can access it, as it is done across the countries and nationally. Now, the value that the large scale assessment holds in particularly South African educational environment is that in South Africa we have 9 provinces. Therefore, if the large scale is conducted in between provinces, we get to um, we get to evaluate whether the learners in Gauteng and the learners in Mpumalanga or KZN, how are they performing and which areas basically need intervention. And we see the areas that are lacking, and besides that, it also provides confidence and resilience to the areas that are performing, and it provides teachers with um, information on how they can improve teaching and learning in those areas. Now, the value that the large scale holds in my own educational context is that it provides me as a teacher with information of how my learners and the learners in different areas perform in the same aspect or context, and how I can improve or find assistance from the learners in, particularly, let's say in KwaZulu Natal, let's say learners in KwaZulu Natal are performing better, and um, in the area that I am in, I can find assistance. And again, it serves as an indicator of our curriculum developers, of the standard that they set for our learners and the policymakers. Thank you.